Among all the books available till date about the supreme goddess Baglamukhi, Shri Bagla Tattva Prakashika by Giriratna Mishra is the only finest book we have found in English. In this book, the author has done a commendable work by providing such a vast knowledge about goddess Baglamukhi, her origin, her splendor, and her worship rituals. Goddess Baglamukhi is the 8th deity among the 10 Mahavidyas. She is Adi Shakti. Goddess Baglamukhi carries a cudgel in her hand to smash the troubles faced by her devotees. She is also called Pitambara as the goddess is associated with yellow color. But her actual form and stature in the universe is little known to commoners. Her majesty is revealed in the Vedas, Upanishads, and other religious texts. From these religious texts, the author has taken verses and compiled them in this book. The original Sanskrit verses are presented along with transliteration and English commentary. The language of this book is somewhat easy and the topics are concise. The length of the book is around 470 pages, out of which the first 145 pages consist of the introduction part. The reason behind such a long introduction part is that the author has briefly explained about Tantra, Mantra and Yantra with Mahavidyas and also explains about goddess Baglamukhi, her worshippers and her temples. This book is divided into 9 chapters. The first chapter is based on Vedas, which depicts her origin, her glory, and how she liberates her seekers from troubles. Along with that, Kritya exorcism is also explained. The second chapter, that is based on Upanishads, explains briefly about the Hindu philosophy and also describes all Upanishads of goddesses. Out of these, there are 2 main Upanishads which talks about goddess Baglamukhi and her mantras. These are Shri Bagla Upanishad and Shri Pitambara Upanishad. Also, the Baglamukhi Yantra is explained in detail. The third chapter in this book is based on Shri Durga Saptashati. This chapter is divided into 3 episodes or Charitra, which explains about Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, and Devi Saraswati respectively. In these episodes, the splendor of these Mahashakti is depicted and their character is stated as equal to the character of goddess Baglamukhi. The 4th chapter is based on Purans, which describes 10 Mahavidyas from Shri Bhagavad Mahapuran. The 5th chapter of this book is very important, which is based on Tantras. Firstly, the chapter talks about Guru Shishya tradition as per goddess Baglamukhi. The qualities of a Guru are mentioned on the basis of Sankhyayan Tantra. While mentioning Sankhyayan Tantra, the sequence of Brahmastra Vidya is also described. Bij Mantra or seminal mantra of goddess Baglamukhi are mentioned that are taken from various tantras like Kundalini Chakra, Sankhyayan Tantra and others. After that, the goddess Baglamukhi Yantra is explained from different tantras, and in the end of the chapter, various forms of goddess Baglamukhi are described. The 6th chapter is all about Diksha ritual, in which Sankalp, Yagya, Agni Sanskar, Tarpan, Abhishek and other rituals are mentioned along with their mantras. The 7th chapter is the most important part of this book. This chapter provides information about all worship rituals of goddess Baglamukhi. The daily routine for seekers, which includes morning, afternoon and evening worship, seat refining, even the teeth cleaning, bathing and other rituals are also mentioned briefly with their mantras. Many other worship rituals are included. The 8th chapter deals with Vidhan or regulations in the worship of goddess Baglamukhi. It includes Sankhyayan Tantra Vidhan, Brahmastra Vidya Vidhan, along with mantras like Ekakshar Mantra, Jwalamukhi Mantra and many other mantras with their Vidhan. The 9th chapter, that is the last chapter, includes various hymns of goddess Baglamukhi with Baglamukhi Kavach. It also explains the method of recitation and wishes which can be fulfilled using these hymns. The book is full of mantras along with their references, and every ritual, every procedure is mentioned. It is a complete guide for seekers or anyone who wants to know about goddess Baglamukhi and her worshipping. Giriratna Mishra is a writer who came up with English translations of some fascinating books based on Indology like Uddish Tantra, Encyclopedia of Shabar Mantra, and others. The author is currently translating Shri Tantra Lok, which is divided in 14 volumes. Its 4 volumes are published and others are in queue. In order to purchase this book, please refer to the link given in description.